with this, with these, making a video of me sneezing. So let's get started. Ready, set, go. Oh wait. Okay. I've done this so many times and it works so many times. I know it works. I'll try the other nostril. I did it. Mission complete. I made myself sneeze. One got it complete with all of making make myself sneeze with all with gotta make myself sneeze with 2 more. I prepared tissue. Still doesn't work. I don't know why. Next sneeze is this nostril doesn't really work. I'm gonna do with this side and this side for this nostril. So one of them, this is my elbow. The other one, I'm just gonna let it out like that, like that. I'll wash my hands after this, I promise you guys. I promise. what? Okay. I basically sneeze like this. I sneeze like this. But you guys see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.